Alright, what I want to do is make sure these connections are right. So right here, the A to the set range. Let's kind of redo this one. You know, I just felt kind of iffy about it within the video. So, and since this is such a complex one, or such a complex shader, I had to really make sure you get all the right inputs. So just my double checking. So that A to set range is output D to Y to old min Z. Okay, that's one of the connections there. And the other connection is being pulled away from the multiply, which is multiply this to this, and default, and then it goes to output Z to a value of Z. Now, just make in this video, all I wanted you to do is make triple sure, absolutely triple sure, that everything got connected the right way. Now, I'm just going to go through these nodes and one by one show you exactly what they're set to and everything else before we go on. Now, the near. Make sure the gradient is going black to white. Okay? I might have got that mixed up. So black to white. This one's white to black. Okay. This is set to false. This one's set to true. Good, good, good. My clamp. It's got a 1 in here. My set range. I actually had to put a 1 in this range. And a 1 here. Okay, good. Good. Okay, my camera should be okay. That just has to do with the far clip plane. Here's the addition node or sum node. Now, you're not going to get the perfect number here. Don't worry about that right now. That's based upon my camera being moved around a little bit or whatever. It's taking those calculations correct. As long as you're seeing the yellow here and being some kind of real number in there, that's what you're looking at. Okay, so we got these two are yellow. That means they're connected. That's good. We got this one that's connected here. That's good. It's got a value of 1 below it. This one, it's got a -1 below it with a 0. And here I have some calculations, and that's just being pulled from these locators somewhere in the world. Okay. This one is set to no rendering all the way through, and I'm going to be adjusting its scale in the next video to kind of show you how to tweak it. And this one is set to 1, 1, 1, 1. But now I didn't change any of these. These are actually default. So I just want you to triple check all the connections, make sure they're all connected the correct way. If you don't, what'll happen is it will drive you nuts trying to figure it out. But you will learn a lot from this node just by actually rechecking things, re-adding things, and you're going to see these numbers being calculated differently, and you're going to finally know, that this is just a sum, this is just or subtraction, this is just a sum, and the numbers actually make really good sense. When it gets iffy is when it gets to a near range and far range and the clamp. That's when it gets kind of complex to explain how they work until I can really see what the gradient looks like on the mesh. Alright, so in the next video, let's kind of debug this. I know there always is going to be bugs within this, but that way I can kind of show you how to debug it or how to adjust it. Alright, so that's in the next video.